introduce about the pipe welding machine. This is a machine. It's connect to argon to use. For now, when we start the argon, the pressure it is 5 mbar, and this meter when we start it will be 7. The parameter on 7. For now, let's come to the machine. This is the op channel of the machine. For start, it is for now this is stop. This is open. Okay, let's start operation. Okay, for now, let's set into the material. This is a forward rotation. Is move the material into the machine. The pipe welding machine is automatic cutting the edge. For now, the speed is 4.2, 4.119. It can be adjusted. 这个是调速度的，对不对？ It's adjust here to adjust the speed, the rotation speed. There are 5 rollers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at least, and this total 6 rollers. This pipe is for 6 diameter. The diameter is 6.你过来拍这个管它变形的一个过程，这样出来。
在哪里有那个变形？
看我这里关掉点。
对，这里一直过来，就慢慢变，慢慢变的。
然后再过来，移过来。还没出来啊。
出来了。
放电。
把它合拢之后
This is adjust the gap of the pipes. This is loose. This is loose. This one is tight.
只有把它合紧就可以了，不要压得很死，压得很死的话会变形。
Makes the pipes contact.
尖的。
继续操作啊。
这是无针的用。
It's a welding needle.
和针的距离一定要离管的距离要有一点点距离，不能挨在一起。
The needle head leaves gap, have some distance, a little distance. Don't let them touch. So when welding, we will observe it as a result. Here is the welding power. Here is the welding power.
一个电浆，一个开关，里面有2个电浆嘛。我把这个打开，把这个关掉，因为看哪边有。
There are 2 welding power. When you run one machine, turn off another machine.
是不是要调好它呀？现在电源。
电源我暂时等一下看的。
For now, the parameter is 10.
你看，我现在是点焊，这个
Spot welding.
把它打开，我把它点焊，开。
Okay. Turn right welding. Right welding.
你看，现在就点焊了。
再试多一次，再试多一次。
在这点哈。
OK, spot welding。它位置准不准呢？
我看见位置有没有对到那个针里？你看，现在就没对到了，现在就偏了嘛。
For now, the position is not right. Let's adjust the position. Let the needle to the welding position.
打开之后再点上。
好吧，
电流不够大，你看。
电流不够大。
电流不够大就这样的，就它就合不上嘛，没看到嘛。你看，我等一下把电流稍微调大一点。
For now it is not fully welding. As current is not enough of the welding machine. We need increase the power of the welding machine.
电流
Power. Increase the power of the welding. 好吗？现在可以了吗？好。For now, the pipes already welded. The finishing, the pipes finishing, is related to the speed. It's to the speed, and also related to the power of the welding. So if overburn, the pipes is overburn, we must reduce the power of welding. Also, we need make sure the needle of the welding is in the right position between the pipe gaps. For now, it's a good finishing of welding. For example, if the gap like this, not welding, it means the power is not enough. We must increase the power of the welding. For here, the position of the welding is not right. Here is overburn. Overburn must reduce the power of the welding. For this part, it's not fully weld. Maybe it is the power of the welding is not enough, or the pipe not touched. Must adjust the machine to let them touch, then welding. For now, is the power of the 6 diameter. The current number is 14. If you weld gold or 22 gold, you need to adjust maybe a little higher, or you just see the finishing of the pipes. It's overburn, you just reduce the power. If not fully weld, you just increase the current. For gold, I think it can be increased speed to 4.5 more or less. Just to see the situation of the pipe. For this pipe, it is good finishing. Yeah, already fully weld. You see, just some check of the welding. It's a very good one. After pipe welding, we put it into this drawing machine to draw the pipes, makes a face smooth. We need to reduce the thickness of the pipe. We must insert the lot in the mold into the pipes to fix the inner diameter, and then go through the dies to reduce the thickness of the pipe. After drawing, the face of the pipes is shining and smooth.
我已经这个管是22。